Morning guys, today we've got here Ulefone Power Armor 18 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, find and select settings, then locate and open accounts, passwords and accounts right here, and mark add account. Select Google and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. This is the first thing, and then provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. And enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. As only your password is entered, tap on next. Click on I agree then. More, accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account is added. Once you wish to remove it, click on your account and then select remove account, then confirm it by providing your fingerprint or screen lock. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.